So what are we looking for when we go into the automotive store and there's a wall of tubs of oil? All right. When we buy an engine, brand new, it comes with one manual, the operator's manual. That's the simplest, lightest touch manual of all the manuals. We've got service manual, we've got installation manual, we've got rebuild manual, we've got parts catalogues, blah, 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 right? Lightest touch. This, do you remember, I don't know if anyone's older vehicles, when we had the owner's manual with it, this was in the glove box with the owner's manual, right? It's the ambient temperature of startup. You decide you want to go down to the Auckland Islands, right? Your ambient startup is going to be right down here, potentially even on a cool morning in the middle of summer, because you're not going to go down there in winter for fun, unless you're really mad. Right? What's the standard engine specifications for a Yanmar? Most of the Yanmars, not yours. Most of the small Yanmars are straight 30. Right? Can you see where what trouble we're running into? But that said, most other engines, the standard requirement for your average normally aspirated diesel engine is 15W40. Right? And you can see why a manufacturer would choose that, because pretty much everything's sorted. But now you go sailing up to the Gulf of Aden, and you're sitting for 3 windless days, Baja, and you're sitting for 3 windless days, and the ambient temperature in the engine room after you've parked up and started up again in the morning is now 50 degrees C. The oil is too thin. And why is it too thin? It's too thin for that hydrodynamic startup. Yeah? So this gauge means that what we said was those numbers that the manufacturer on the genuine engine oil are a movable feast, depending on your ambient expected startup for the duration of your cruise.